In fact, there was another guy who wanted 5 o'clock interview, but he has backed out. So that's why I thought I can get it done for you now itself. Okay. That is the
Okay, sir.
reason. That is the reason.
Sir,
Um,
is my voice clearly audible to you?
yeah, now your voice is good. It is coming correctly. No problem. Good. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Very good. Good evening, Mr. Akshit. You are from NIT Hamirpur in Himachal Pradesh, and your basic degree you told me is finance, sorry, HR and marketing MBA.
Yes, sir.
What is the basic degree you studied
Sir,
before
I did
MBA?
my
Yeah.
graduation in computer science, BTech in computer science.
In which college did you study and how many marks did you score?
Sir, I studied in lovely professional university, Fagwada, Jalandhar, and I have
Oh,
scored 72% marks in my degree.
oh, great, 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 great. In the same lovely professional university only, some fellow has been offered some 5 crore salary or so ना, बहुत बड़ा salary. आपने सुना है इसका बारे में?
Yes, sir, I have listened about that.
Yeah, very great, very great. Is he studying in MTech?
Sir, don't know, but when I was studying in my when I was studying my BTech, that time one guy get a package of rupees 1.5 crore rupees
Not that
from.
one. This year somebody has been offered 5 crore. I don't know what is that. Doesn't matter. First class. So, how is the placement in MBA in lovely in your present university? How many people have already been got posted from your class?
Actually, sir, the like NIT Hamirpur is totally a technical institute. So the placement in NIT Hamirpur in MBA department is like average placement. So out like my class has 20 student strength, and the total student that are placed are around 12 to 14 students.
Already, you also got placed somewhere else?
No, sir, not it.
Not yet. Acha, theek hai. Good. Now, please tell me, why do you want to join banking sector as a probationary officer?
Sir, I want to join banking sector as a probationary officer because of the career, because of the opportunities that the bank is offering. The bank is offering different roles like investment roles and relationship management. So, as I have learned about the skills that suits this job, so I want to get into the banking sector. And another reason to get into the banking sector is like this is a sector that connects other sector too. So here you can get a lot of knowledge from the other sectors as different customers come here to visit, and you can talk to them and gain knowledge about different sectors. So that's why I decided to get into the banking sector.
Good. What do you know about Federal Bank?
Federal Bank is one of the leading private bank in India. It was founded in the year 1931 by late KP Hornisser. The vision of the bank is to become the most admired bank in India and to focus on small, micro, and medium enterprises. The mission of the bank is to meet and exceed the expectations of the customers. The bank is also committed to sustainable activities, and they share their 2% of net profit in those type of activities. So some of the activities include like when there was a tough time during the COVID, so Sanjeevani was a program that was started by the bank, in which bank spread the awareness of vaccination and make sure that the vaccination is completed by every citizen of India.
Good.
Another CSR activity include there is a rehabilitation centers for the children who are suffering from neuro diseases. Another The bank is like won several awards. One of the award that bank has won is like
Mm.
best place to work in 2022 to 2023, and recently they have also won a direct marketing award in the fest 2023. Bank has recently launched one scheme, which is double to double two scheme, which is also known as green deposit scheme. So under this scheme, the person who are depositing the amount will stay for double 2 days, and the amount will be given as a loan to other persons for the project that are needed for our environment. Like green projects include uh, renewable projects or solar projects or wind projects. So this is the initiative taken by Federal Bank. Talking about the recent profit, the bank has a net profit of 903 crore rupees, and it is a 67% increase as compared to the previous year. And the total deposit of the bank is around 3,88,000 crore rupees.
No,
And the bank,
wrong. The total business is 3 lakhs 88. The deposit is around, I think it is around 2 lakhs
uh,
13 or so.
yes, sir. The total business of the bank is 3,88,000 crores, and the total deposit is around 1,80,000 crores.
Deposit कितना है?
1,80,000
नहीं
around.
नहीं, गलत है. 2 lakhs 13,000 something, and then 1 lakh 70 something is say the
Advances.
advances. थोड़ा ये सबको फिगर को ठीक से पढ़ लीजिए. And another point is, you were talking very nicely about corporate social responsibility activities that are done by bank, but you never use the word corporate social responsibility.
Okay, sir.
That is the mistake. Otherwise, everything was okay. And yeah, fine.
Okay, sir. I
No
will take care of that.
Yeah. Now, can you please tell me, as an HR person, okay,
Yes, sir.
as an HR person, what are the qualities that are required for succeeding as a HR profession in a bank?
Okay, sir. The qualities that a HR person require is the first quality is understanding the psychology of the customer. So HR gives us the perspective in order to understand the psychology of the customer, which includes like attitude, perception of the customer, opinion of the customer. Second is, as a HR person should know how to build a relationship with the customer, and one of the major pillar for building the relationship is trust. HR also helps in enhancing the personality of the individual. So in personality development, communication also play a very major role. So if you want to cross sell any product to the person, then their communication plays an important role.
You
So
said
how?
something about cross-selling. What is cross-selling?
So cross selling basically means you are selling the products to the existing customers of your bank. Let us say that the customer have a saving account in your bank. So you are selling other products like credit card, or you are selling loans, you are selling insurances and mutual funds to your customer. So it helps to increase the brand loyalty of the organization or the bank.
Good. Now, why should we give preference to you among other candidates? What is it that makes you consider you are very suitable for this post?
Sir, I have all the skills that are needed for this job, but there is one skill that makes me different, or one quality that makes me different from other individual. The one quality is that I give my 100% in everything what I do. If you see my marks in the third semester, so I gained around 85% marks. And talking about communication skills, as you can see in my communication that I have great communication skills. So it will be great for your bank, as the position is of as the position is of assistant manager, and I also have good management skill. I can manage the time very effectively by understanding the difference between what is important for me and what is urgent for me, and planning the whole work of the bank accordingly. And I also have a sales experience of 1 year, in which I have done a sale of ready-made garments in the retail shop. So
Acha,
that's make me suitable for the bank.
where were you working for 1 year in retail shop?
Actually, sir, my father has a business background. So he has a retail shop of ready-made garments and lady suits. So during the COVID times, my grandfather fell ill. So at that the situation is created that I have to go to the shop and there take control and manage all the work. So there I
Good.
done sales also.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Now, um, so what are the factors that will motivate you to perform well?
As for me, sir, for the motivation purpose, there are for some people there is a monetary purpose. For some people there is a non-monetary purpose. But talking for me, monetary is also a factor. But if I talk about non-monetary factors, then it includes challenging task. If I should get a challenging task, then I will be more than happy to work. If I get a lot of opportunities to learn and to work with the experienced persons that can help me in my career growth, then I will be more than happy to work. And as a like the bank is also involved to CSR activities, so to as a part of the bank I will be very happy to serve the society as well.
And now, can you please sell this my cell phone? Imagine you are the sales representative of this company. Some customer is coming and asking for details about this. How will you go on pushing this sale to him?
Okay, sir. So, hi, sir. Good evening. Welcome to my shop. So, this week we have come with a new variety of phone that is Samsung A54, the phone that can capture all the movements of your life. The front camera of the phone is 32 megapixel and the back camera of the phone is 50 megapixel. The phone also comes with a great battery and it has a battery of 5000 mAh. So you can use the phone continuously for 48 to 56 hours. The bank also supports the fast charging, in which you can charge your phone from within the 30 minutes from 0% to 100%. The phones also come with IP67, in which the resistance in water is around 30 minutes. The phone has a front Gorilla Glass and back Gorilla Glass, so it provides double protection to the phone. And the phone comes in different
Good,
variations.
good, good, good. You are answering very well. Nice. But try to tell something about the financial details also when you are discussing. There is the cost is so effective and I mean competitive like that. You must try to tell. Otherwise, you were talking very nicely. You have been able to communicate well about marketing. I think you will succeed as a marketing person. Please tell me what are the qualities required for succeeding as a marketing personnel.
As a marketing person, the first skill that is required in is communication skills, because as a market sales is a part of marketing. So communication plays a very important role in understanding your customers and expressing your views to the customer, because communication is a two-way process. So that's why communication is the first step that I think in marketing is very important. Second skill is listening. Until you listen to your customers, you cannot find out that what actually customers need. So identifying the needs of the customer is also very important, and that can only happen if you have great listening skills in yourself.
Mm,
Third is teamwork.
mm,
In the marketing, the third thing requires is managing your team. So as a 1 month ago, if I talk about, I have managed a management fest in which I was working as a leader of offline marketing team and sponsorship team. And I have also collected the sponsorship of rupees 10,000 on my own. So I think these qualities well suited for the marketing person: leadership, communication, teamwork, and listening skills.
good. In fact, certain other skills can also be told. I just searched in Google. It is telling me, as you rightly said about communication, then it also tells about creativity, leadership, content marketing, project management, sales, brand management, social media marketing, data analysis, management of people, etc., problem solving, market research, writing skills, decision making, content creation, adaptability, interpersonal communication, organizing ability, analytical ability, emotional intelligence. Then there is one thing given as being conversant with technology and having good analytical skills and also teamwork. And there is one more thing given, I'm not able to understand what it is. SEO. What is that SEO?
Sir, SEO is basically search engine optimization. So there is a
Oh,
concept of digital marketing nowadays.
Acha, you must be thorough with such technologies also, search engine optimization, so that you can reach more people and more sales can be done. Now, can you
Yes.
tell me what search engine optimization should I do to see that my program reaches more number of people?
So basically, sir, first we need to understand what is engine optimization. Search engine optimization basically means that you have to rank your website in the front of search engine result page. That is in the front of Google or any other search engine you are using. So for that, the important thing is planning the keywords. So if you plan the keywords accordingly, and if you are able to provide the great content in your website, then you can surely reach at the top of the search engine result page, and you can spread awareness or target more and more customers and reach to more and more customers. So
Very
this is
good.
how SEO works.
Very good. How did you come to know of my site?
uh, of your site, sir.
Yeah. How did you come to know of my, say, this YouTube channel and guidance class and all that? By which search engine did you get it?
Actually, sir, when I was preparing for, like I have completed my first round and I have selected for the second round GD. So just I searched on YouTube that how to prepare for GD for Federal Bank specifically. So at the top, your channel is preferred in YouTube. So from there, I came to know about your channel.
Acha, you searched in YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent. Now let us get into banking. What is banking?
So banking basically means accepting the deposits of the public and giving loans and advances to the public.
What are the other ancillary or para banking services done by banks?
Some of other para banking services include like providing insurances to the people, providing mutual fund facilities to the people, providing investment facilities to the people, providing wealth managed facilities to the people, portfolio management facilities to the people,
Super,
like
super, super. Very good. You have been able to communicate very nicely. Can you please elaborate some details on KYC?
So KYC stands for Know Your Customer. So no, in KYC you have to submit your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and your photo to the bank when you went to the bank to open your saving account or any type of account. So basically KYC helps to verify that the person who is opening the saving account or any type of account is actually belong to have a verified ID, so that no fraud bank can save others people from, like bank can save the people from doing the frauds. So that's why KYC is offered by bank.
Good. Now, can you tell me what are the sources of revenue for the bank?
The sources of revenue for the bank is number one is loan. So when banks provide loan to the public, then the bank charge some interest rate on that. So that is the number one source. Second source is commission facilities. Bank provide various facilities: debit card facilities, credit card facilities, demand draft facilities. So bank acquire commission charges on that. Third facility is locker facility. So when bank provide you locker facility, so they charge some amount from the individual who is taking locker facility. Fourth, bank generates revenue from other activities like from insurances, from stock investments, from mutual funds, from and other type of activities. So these,
Government securities, investment in government securities and in shares of other companies.
yes, sir.
Very good. What is nomination in banking?
So nomination is a very important term that can be used in banking. So let us say that any person who has any type of account in the bank, and that person dies due to any of the reason. So the amount that is to be transferred after the death of a person is called a nominee of that account.
No, the definition can be slightly better. Nomination. I asked what is nomination. So you could have told me nomination is a stage when a person opens an account or afterwards, he can nominate a person's name who will receive the money in the event of demise of the account holder. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The depositor will tell on his demise, the money should go to this person. So that person is known as nominee. Nomination, normally it is given only in favor of one person, where nomination is given in the name of a minor, then a guardian's name also should be mentioned. Would you follow?
Yes, sir, I follow, sir.
Very good. Can you please tell me what are demand deposits? What are time deposits?
So starting with the deposit, so deposit is a liability for a bank. So demand deposit basically means the person who have account in the bank demand their deposits at any time. So these are known as demand deposits. Where our time deposits include like FDs, RDs. So after a specific period of time, they can reach to the bank and tell bank that they need their money. So that is termed as time deposits.
But you forgot to mention the name of demand deposit, savings bank, current account.
Current accounts, yes.
Yeah. Doesn't matter. Good. Now, please tell me the difference between fixed deposit and a recurring deposit.
So fixed deposit is basically for any specific period of time in which you have to pay a lump sum amount to the bank. And after a specific period, bank provides you the interest rate. Like say if a lump sum amount of 1000 is provided to the bank, so after 1 year they will give me around 7% interest, and they will pay me 1,07,000 rupees. But in case of recurring deposits, we have to pay the amount in like on the monthly basis or in the quarterly basis.
Monthly basis. Say monthly basis better. Okay. And in the case of fixed deposit, you should say lump sum. Don't say 1,000 and all. What is the value of 1,000? Kuch nahi hai. Say about 10,000 rupees is deposited. The interest is payable quarterly. And in case we don't want to take that interest, it can be put on a cumulative deposit also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You are from which state?
Sir, I am from Himachal Pradesh.
Tell me some beautiful ideas about Himachal Pradesh.
So, sir, as Himachal Pradesh is one of the smallest state according to the population in India. Talking about the beautiful things, Himachal is known for religious type of places in India. So here you can find n number of temples, like talking about Jwalaji Temple, Baba Balaknath Ji Temple, Garib Das Ji Temple. So there are. And second, Himachal is famous for hill stations. So the capital of Himachal, that is Shimla. is famous for Ridge and Lakkad Bazaar and other different types of uh, it is a tourist place. Shimla is basically a tourist place.
Hmm.
And Himachal has a total of 12 districts, in which my district Hamirpur is
Hmm.
considered to be one of the literate district, and the literacy rate of Hamirpur is around 88%.
Hmm. I think there are less number of Lok Sabha seats. How many seats are there in Himachal Pradesh?
So total there are 4 seats of Lok Sabha.
How many are there in Rajya Sabha?
Rajya Sabha, sir,
Three seats are there.
okay.
And what is the rough area of your state? How many square kilometer?
Sir, I am not aware.
55,673. 55,673 square kilometer. And the rank in terms of the states as far as area is concerned, Himachal Pradesh ranks 18th rank.
Okay.
18th rank. Yeah. Highest elevation place in Himachal Pradesh is 6,813 meters. That is 22,000 feet. Arey Baba. 22. It's a place given as Rio Pargial. Rio. Have you heard about this place? Rio
Yes, sir.
Pargial.
I have heard about Rio Pargal.
Yeah. Population wise, our Himachal Pradesh stands at 21st place. It has only a population of बहुत कम है 1 10 100 1000 only 70 lakhs as on 2011. Maybe now it would have gone to 1 crore or so.
Yes, sir, maybe.
What is the official language of our place?
Sir, official language is actually people speak Pahadi in our Himachal, but that's not scripted. So officially, it's Hindi only.
Hindi, and they have said Devanagari script. What is Devanagari script?
Devanagari is also like sir Pahadi language. So Devanagari is basically people speak in the upper region of Himachal Pradesh.
What is the emblem of Himachal Pradesh government? Some that Ashoka Chakra and with some snowy mountains in the back,
Okay.
I will show you. Now. This is the thing. Are you seeing now?
Yes, sir. Emblem of Himachal
Yeah,
Pradesh.
the bird is western tragopan. Fish is golden maghasir. Flower is pink rhododendron. Mammal is snow leopard. Snow leopard ज्यादा होता है उधर?
Sir, in the upper Himachal side.
होता है, अच्छा.
Very rare, sir. Very rare. Not too much.
Not too much. Good. So what are the industries that are there in our Himachal? Any idea?
Sir, there is an industry in Baddi area, district Solan. So that industry is for the pharmacist.
How many
industry.
districts are there in Himachal Pradesh?
There are total of 12 districts.
Very good. Can you tell me how many ministers are there in your cabinet?
Sir, there are 68 ministers.
68?
No, sir, not 68, but 68 total number of Vidhan Sabha seats. I am not aware about number of ministers.
No, 1 minute. The assembly seats must be kitna? 68 hoga?
हाँ sir, 68.
Who is your chief minister?
Sir, Shri Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu ji.
Who is the governor?
Sir, don't have any idea.
What happened? क्यों भूल गए आपने? Governor of Himachal Pradesh. Whether it is giving correctly, I don't know. Please check it up. Governor of Himachal Pradesh is given as Pratap Shukla. He has joined on 13 February. His name is Shiv Pratap Shukla. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Mr. Shiv Pratap Shukla. Okay, very good. Who is your role model?
So my role model is my father, because as I know my father from the starting, and I have learned some things from him, like how to convince the people, or how he does the hard work that I have seen, and like keep on working until you achieve something. So that I have learned from my father.
But somewhere you are using the word some things. Some things mat bolo. Otherwise, your answer was very correct. Excellent. Can you tell me what is meant by Kisan credit card?
So, sir, Kisan credit card is basically a credit card that is given to the to the Kisan, in which they have to pay a very um, like for taking the loan, they have to pay very less interest rate through that cards.
No. For this, you have to tell differently. Kisan credit card is a facility given to agriculturists, and the limit fixed is dependent on the crop grown and also the extent over which the crop is grown. Up to 1.6 lakhs, it is offered without any collateral security, and the interest subvention of 3% is given up to rupees 3 lakhs. So the effective rate of interest for the farmer who repays the loan within that 1 year period will be only 4%. The advantage of this Kisan credit card scheme is that it is a rotation scheme. There is no need for submitting documents every now and then. It is once given, it is valid for a period of 5 years. So this is very helpful for the Kisans. Now our father has got a textile shop.
Yes, sir.
From which bank has he borrowed?
Sir, he has borrowed from SBI Bank.
So in SBI Bank, and he borrows, is he putting the hypothecation board outside?
Yes, sir.
So what do you mean by hypothecation?
Sir, hypothecation means when we are taking the loan. So as a mortgage, we have to put as a collateral, we have to put some for the security purpose. We have to put any like our home or our shop to the bank for the security purposes. And hypothecation is basically for movable securities, movable securities or movable properties.
Good. See, actually, what you said is right. In the case of open cash credit, where a textile shop owner takes open cash credit from the bank, he gives statement of account giving details of the stock that he is holding, and based on which drawing limit is fixed by the bank, and the customer can draw the amount. Such goods which are given as security to the bank, they are known as hypothecated goods, and in order to exhibit its hypothecation, the name board is exhibited at the shop. Goods in this premises are hypothecated to State Bank of India, like that. But in the case, the only advantage in the case of hypothecation is that though the goods are secured to the bank, they still remain under the custody of the borrower. The borrower can sell the goods and he is expected to repay the money to the bank. And in the case of the vehicle loan, there also it is hypothecation is there. Here, the name of the bank will be entered as hypothecatee in the RC book of the vehicle. Besides the name being written on top of it, hypothecated to so-and-so bank. Don't use the word mortgage, because mortgage is a term to be used for immovable properties only. Could you follow?
Yes, sir, I follow.
Very good. So what is the capital of Kerala?
Uh, Capital of Kerala. It's a Kochi.
No, Thiruvananthapuram. You must know something about Kerala also because you are going for Kerala Bank, Federal Bank. So you must know about Kerala, how many districts are there, who is the chair, who is the chief minister, who is the governor, and some basic details about how many districts are there and all that. Thoda सीखने से बढ़िया है. Where is the headquarters? Aluva in Kochi. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You will be posted to Kottayam. Are you willing to go and join Kottayam?
Yes, sir. I am
Where
willing
is
to go.
where is Kottayam?
Don't know, sir. Actually, I was asking. I tried to ask you. I have a
Kottayam
question
is
in my mind.
one of the important districts in Kerala.
Okay.
You will be posted there. Best wishes. You are doing very, very well. I will give you 9 out of 10 for this and I will select you. But much depends on Bhagwan ka हाथ में है. अब अच्छा, बिफोर गोइंग फॉर इंटरव्यू रेट सब रिवाइज करके जाओ. आज का बीएससी सेंसेक्स का रेट क्या है?
Sir, I have not seen.
क्यों हम तो रोज बोलता है ना, जब आप इंटरव्यू जाएगा, पक्का इंटरव्यू और मॉक इंटरव्यू, आपको ये बिल्कुल पता होना है. यू मस्ट नो what is the BSC Sensex. Similarly, NSE Sensex. What is the value of Indian rupee, a dollar to rupee? ये सब तो पता होना है.
82 rupees.
Very good. Excellent. Then who is the president of USA?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. Huh? How can you say hello? So, John Biden, na Biden.
Okay.
Why
Actually,
are you not knowing such basic things? ये सब तो पता होना है. Who is the president of our Russia?
No, sir. I have tight hand in GK. So can you suggest me to for like improvement in GK within this 4 to 5 days?
Vladimir, acha, what you should know, I will tell you. Number one, you get to know the state union ministers, all cabinet ministers ranks.
Okay.
And if there are some people from Himachal Pradesh, get to know more details about him.
Okay.
Be thorough about defense minister, finance minister, MSME minister, agriculture minister, law minister, sports minister, something, everything is important. पूरा पढ़ लीजिए.
Okay, sir.
हिमाचल प्रदेश का मिनिस्टर्स का लिस्ट भी देख लीजिए.
Okay.
Then get to know the 28 states of India, their capitals, their chief ministers, if possible, their governor.
Okay, sir.
Then get to know who is the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, then Pakistan, then Sri Lanka, China, then say Britain, Nepal, Bhutan, USA, Australia, Russia, then Ukraine. Then you must know the current affairs details regarding Russia-Ukraine war, inflation, deflation, these things and all. ये सब आपको पढ़ के मन में रखना है. And you must know what is G20, उसका बारे में क्या चलता है, ये आपको पता होना है. And now you must be aware of your interviews on which date?
Sir, 17th. It's on 17th.
Yeah. So that will be after the announcement of results, Karnataka results only. So that's not a problem. That's how it is. Then you must know how many Lok Sabha seats are there, how many Rajya Sabha seats are there in the country. Then the wildlife reserves in, say, Himachal Pradesh. Then any power projects in Himachal Pradesh, something like that. ये सब prepare कर दीजिए. You are answering very well, but थोड़ा जनरल नॉलेज भी पूरा रेडी करने से बढ़िया होगा. ओके.
Okay, sir. Sure, I will work on it.
कैन यू नेम 4 famous rivers in India?
Sir, one is Ganga, Byas River, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra.
Very good. Best wishes. God bless you. Wish you success. And your second interview, which date have you taken? Have you paid 305 or 405?
Sir, it's 4, not 5.
Which date have you taken?
So I have taken 16th of May at 8 p.m.
16th May at 8 p.m. Okay, no problem. Done. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Best wishes. You did well, but you know, in some areas you are not confident. Those areas also you must be confident. Go through Federal Bank website thoroughly about digital products, loan products, वगैरह वगैरह सब. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You did an excellent job. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Bye.